how to take out and put in screens in an enclosed patio. Unlock it here, lift it up, comes right out. You have a back one, another squeeze handle usually right here. Lift it up, comes right out. We've already replaced all the screens, but this is the last one going in. Sometimes these older ones are a little bit harder to go in because the metal gets a little bent out, but the outside track here, you want to kind of start putting like one corner into it, like so, and then to kind of push it up into the channel. Up here, and you have these little pull tabs right here. They're much better if you put them on the inside. Like so. Pull the tabs. Go back further. Don't force it because you got 4 of them. Just kind of seat it in there slower. More control. They'll be tight. Pull the tab over the last channel. There. 2 more here. It's done. Put them back in, you go in the reverse. This handle is going to click on this right here. Go top first, and the back channel will be 2 channels. Pull it over to it, pushes over to it, clicks. The other handle here will be on this side. Go up, swing in the bottom.